Yo, what's poppin', guys, and welcome to the first, thing of, game reviews, where I review your games that you put in to the game requests studio. If you want to know, here's the link. Go ahead, come do it. Put your games inside of the game requests studio, and I will come through every Monday and play 3. Since I don't have 3, I'm just going to do 1. It's the only one that got put in here. We have Gobo Blaster, uppercase D. So let's make that little smiley face, man. You know how it goes. By Leon B28 or Leon B28. But yeah, it's called Gobo Blaster. Shoot Gobo space. Sorry, I'm losing my voice, by the way. Shoot Gobo space to shoot. Okay, shoot Gobo space. Oh, okay, shoot Gobo space to shoot. Arrow key to move. Warning: do not hold space. Also, do not touch Gobo. Click 1 and 2 to change gun. All right. Let me make sure it is muted. Okay, we didn't want that. Oh. Okay, look at this. Bug fix. When Gobo used to join others, it made one big Gobo. Not anymore. Okay. Alright. So we have we can shoot the little Gobo guys. Alright, cool. We can shoot little Gobo man. Just completely destroy them. They're all upside down. That's a bit weird. Gun, pistol. Alright. 1, 2. Oh, we have a sniper now. Bat. 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 Alright. Let's see what happens when we press space like he said not to. Oh. I like the music. I do enjoy the music. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. What's wrong with holding space? I'm not getting any problems. Or maybe you just didn't want us to cheat. Who knows? Oh yeah. Alright. So I played through the game. I'm guessing that's the entire thing, which that's fine. It's a cool game. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it up a bit. I'm going to add what I would add to a game like this, and maybe see if you like it more. I'll treat it as a tutorial. Leon B28, if you're watching, feel free to make these changes if you want to. But yeah, let's get into it. First of all, what I do is these sprites are fine, right? So you got the pistol and the sniper rifle. So instantly what I'd already do is I'm going to convert these to bitmap just because it's what I'm used to using. And I'm just going to center them. I'm going to center them both these sprites. There we go. It really doesn't actually change the movement of the character. It's just, it's good practice to always center your sprites. Next, what I want to do is I'm going to name this guy player. I'm going to name this bullet. Gobo can stay the same. Yellow background, that works. Cool text, yeah, I get that. Gobo Blaster. I use cool text for my my goodness. I use cool text for my thumbnails. So yeah, I can feel you on there. Royalty free music. Okay, thank you. I'm not gonna get like copyrighted for that. Thank you so much. So now all I did was just change the way that looked. How about we fix the Gobo being upside down thing? The way I'm planning on doing that is, since you only use Gobo A, it seems like, I'm gonna take him and I'm gonna hit this flip horizontal so that he just turns him around, right? Now I think that'll fix him. Alright, it didn't. It didn't fix him. So what I'm going to try instead is flipping him vertically. Alright, and now I'm going to flip him horizontally again. And now look at that. Now he's facing the right way. Alright, look at that. We're already making huge improvements. Alright, so now you might have seen right there that the bullets were no longer following the guy. The reason that is because we centered the guy. We centered the player. So, point in direction of player, move 20 steps, repeat until touching edge or touching Gobo, move 15 steps. Alright, yeah, that's exactly how I would do that. With at least the deletion of the characters. You're probably still wondering why is it doing that. I'll explain why it's doing that. I am going to mute the site just for now, because I don't want, while I'm testing the game, I don't want to have to constantly listen to the stuff. I'm going to sneeze. Hold up. Alright, I am back. I had to sneeze. Oh my goodness. I'm losing my voice. The reason I'm guessing, yeah, okay, it's because the bullet isn't centered either, so I'm also just going to go center the bullet. That should fix that issue. Where is our man? Where is he at? Hello? I'm confused on why we're not seeing him. Ah, okay, so when the green flag is clicked, definitely show the character. That's definitely what we want. There we go. Now we have the guy doing his normal thing again. Doing it how it's supposed to be going. Alright, cool. So, you might be asking what's now. First of all, I see this with the with this sprite, how the bullets are above the gun. I'm going to fix that, and the way you can fix that really easily is just going to grab the gun. Just going to move it up slightly. Let's see if that fixes it. That fixed it a little bit, I guess. Oh, look at that. You can just spam bullets really fast right there. Alright, so, okay, so when you touch the guy, you disappear, and then respawn. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a system that can make it so you don't even have to worry about them holding space and having the gun do this. So let me fix that. Let me see how I do that. How I do that is I have to find... Okay, create clone of bullet. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to instead broadcast a message called shoot. Broadcast that we're shooting the bullet. That's not how you know, whatever. Shoy. Alright, it's fine. I'm going to make a variable. I'm going to call it, let's call it, what am I thinking? I'll just call this shoot question mark. And this will act as like a timer, right? So when I receive the green flag, set shoot to, I don't know, let's say for the pistol, every 2 seconds, we will be able to shoot. So there's a 2 second time between each shot being fired. So I'm going to do that so whenever whenever shoot equals 0, then you'll be able to shoot. So we're going to do an if-else statement. We're going to put that in here. We're going to do if shoot equals 0 right here. If shoot equals 0, then broadcast shoot. So when key space is pressed, if shoot equals 0, shoot. If else, do nothing. All right, it won't do anything otherwise. So then also so right now it'll still shoot a bunch of them, right? Hold up. If shoot equals 0. Oh, we're not creating the clone, right? I'm sorry. I was confused for a second. I don't have the create clone thing there. So what we're going to do is then forever wait 2 seconds. No, wait 1 second. I'm sorry. Forever set shoot to 2. So that's our reload time. Wait 1 second. Change shoot by -1. And then if less than 1, if shoot is less than 1, set shoot to 0. So if it's ever less than 1, so if it's ever 0, it'll just stay 0. It won't keep going lower than 0. So it won't hit negative numbers. We don't want it to hit negative numbers. We want it to stay 0. And then shoot. I'm going to go to the bullet, and then I'm going to do when I receive shoot. Create a clone of myself when I start as a clone show, and then that works just fine the way it is. Alright, yeah. So let's see how this works now. Alright, so we're still not working. Why aren't we working? Let's try to figure this out. So let me look at the shoot thing, okay? Alright, so where is our player, man? Forever set shoot to 2. Wait 1 second. Oh, okay, there we go. There we go. That's the issue. Set shoot at the bottom right there. That was our issue. Alright, let's try this now. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I know the problem. Okay. Okay. Stop the game. Coming into here. So right after we create a clone of myself, then we'll set shoot to 2, and then it'll restart the timer. There we go. That'll fix it. Alright, so now we're waiting until a shot is fired. That's why it says 0. And now we shoot a shot. And then it counts down to be able to shoot another shot. I think 2 seconds is a bit too long, actually. Let's do 1 second. There we go. Now we shoot a bullet every second. Let's say we want that like a half of a second. We'll set it to 0.5, which is half of a second. And then in player, instead of doing -1, negative 0.1, which is 1 millisecond. And then just trust me. And then instead of waiting 1 second, also wait 0.1 seconds. That's important. Okay, cool. Let's try this. Alright, that's every half of a second. Now we have one of these things, right? It's kind of like do. Okay, so I don't like that. I think I can make that a little bit better. So, wait 0.5 seconds. Change it by negative 0.5. That should just make it even, like, infinitely better. Alright. It's a bit weird. It's a bit wonky. Why is it a bit wonky when we hold it? So, like, if we... Oh, never mind. It's good. I'm just, like, high or something. But look at that. Now we have the thing so that we have to wait a little bit of time, right? But now what happens if we switch the sniper? Alright, the sniper is also the same. And it also looks like it... Does it do the same amount of damage? Okay, so this one-shots. Does the pistol? The pistol also one-shots. Okay, we're gonna mix that up a bit. We're gonna make them do different kinds of things. And I'll also add another gun so I can show anybody else who wants to do this, add a gun. So let's make a new gun spray really fast. I'll just... we'll duplicate the pistol one and we'll call this like Uzi. We'll make an Uzi one because why not? I'm no artist. I know like every teacher says that before they're about to draw something really bad, but I'm actually about to draw something really bad. So here we go. I don't know actually what an Uzi looks like. Just kidding. Yes, I do. I'm just not gonna put a lot of time into drawing this. Yeah, like this, and then like it kind of does this. And we got another one that comes down and does that. There we go, there's our Uzi. It looks so dopey. Alright. So, we'll do this the same way he's been doing it, right? Actually, I'll show you how I'd do it. This is how I would do it, right? So, when the green flag is clicked, forever, and so it looks like you have a guns thing, so that's good. If else, if equals 1, if gun equals 1. And then I'll make another one called current gun. Set current gun to pistol. Alright. And then if else, if gun equals 2, set it to Uzi. That's not how you spell Uzi. There we go. And then one more. If it equals 3, set it to sniper rifle. Or just sniper. Let's just do sniper. And then obviously you want to add another one, you just put it in there. You can leave this blank, it won't do anything. If it's anything else besides these, yeah, just nothing will happen. Okay, so how I do this then? Oh, okay, you kind of already had that in there. All right, cool. And then I just set this in its own entire different thing. That's just me though. I like to split up a bunch of stuff so I can look at individual kinds of things going on. Alright, what's next? So now we need to decide how we decide to do that. I'll put that in here. These are kind of the button inputs. This is the button input tab. So let's do if key 1 is pressed, we will set gun to 1, which will mean pistol. And then if it's 2, set gun to 2. And then if it's 3, set gun to 3. And then that'll do all of its conversions over here. And then we'll have what our current thing is. We'll have our current gun. I'm going to put current gun up there. So. Alright. And when we start, set current gun to pistol. Alright, there we go. Now when you press 2, switches to Uzi, switches to sniper. Cool, right? And actually, I liked how you had that one. So, switch costume to gun. Actually, you can just do it like this too. Switch it to pistol, switch it to Uzi, switch it to sniper. And I think that should work the same way. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. We got it working the same way. Now let's fix up the bullet speeds. So, we'll put bullet reload as a new variable, and then in here when it's pistol, the bullet reload will be the 0.5. This one bullet for the Uzi, the bullet reload will be like 0.2. And for the sniper, the bullet reload will be like 2. No, I'll do 1.5. I'll do 1.5. So, in the shoot one, where it broadcasts how we shoot, I'm going to do wait bullet reload time and change shoot by bullet reload, which acts literally the exact same way. So now we should have different types of speeds for our shooting. So if we start with the pistol, alright, we're not doing anything now. Why is that? Let's figure that out. Let me show the shoot one. Okay, it's going up a huge bunch, right? Oh, I know why. Go into operators, grab the join, put a minus in the first one, and then bullet reload like that. So it's a negative bullet reload. That should fix it. Bop, 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 bop. Look at that. Now we got bullets dancing all around doing fun stuff, right? Look at that. And then if we switch to Uzi, look at that. Now the bullet rate is faster for the Uzi. And then you go to the sniper, and the bullet rate's even faster. Now let's set up the bullet damage so that each gun does different kinds of damage, so they don't all one-tap. And the way I'm going to set that up is we're going to make a new variable called bullet damage. I'm going to set bullet damage for the pistol to it'll do 1 damage. Set bullet damage for the Uzi to be 0.5. Doesn't do as much damage, but it is faster. And next we're going to set bullet damage for the sniper to a 3. So it'll still probably one-tap. Now we have to go to Gobo and Gobo Lives. How does this work? How is your Gobo Lives thing? I'm not understanding your Gobo Lives. Oh, I get it. I think I understand. Or can I edit that? No. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it. Sorry. It's just I don't know if that variable is doing what I'm thinking it's doing. So I'm just gonna make a new one called. Let's do. I'll call it Gobo Health, just for the sake of being easy. Gobo Health. Oh, I'm an idiot. Let's try that again. Gobo Health, and then for this sprite only. Make sure you're on Gobo when you do that, by the way. When you make the variable, make sure you select it on Gobo, then do Gobo Health, and then make sure you tick the sprite only. Okay. So I like your start as a clone, do that. Yep. If touching bullet, you have your brightness thing, but what I'd also do is, you see how he has this, right? There, he has this, so it's like he looks a little bit more shocked, right? I like that. And then what I'm also gonna do for this is I'm also gonna make him like a tint of red. That's just me though. I like doing that when someone gets hit, making them a little tint of red. That's just a me thing though. There we go. There we go. And now he'll also switch costume to Gobo C, and then switch costume back to Gobo A. Let's try that out. Let's see how that works. Okay, why is he already Gobo C? Switch costume to Gobo A. There we go. Alright, come down here, little Gobos. Boop. 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 What is Gobo C? Yeah, that is Gobo C. Whatever, doesn't matter. Oh, why are some of those ones? Okay, whatever. We're just gonna get rid of the Gobos, the other Gobo sprites altogether. It's causing this thing to have a panic attack. Gonna put this back where it was. Gonna put this back where it was. Okay. Make sure it still works. Alright, cool. Cool. Everything is still good. So when I start as a clone, you do that. You start moving towards the player, you do that. Change. Okay, so when I start as a clone, set Gobo health to 3. They have 3 health. We'll have them have 3 health, so the sniper rifle does kill them in 1 hit. Then we will do Gobo health by... Oh, wait a minute. Okay. And then we'll do a change. Change Gobo health. Okay, so now we need to do this, right? If touching bullet, we need to have some if else. If current gun equals pistol, then change Gobo health by -1, right? And then do the check if it is, and then delete the clone. Alright, yeah, you had that. You had this part right. This part was super good. I mean, you had this part right too. Like, don't get me wrong, you had it right. I just added it so that they have health. Duplicate this. Oh, put that in the else. I'm sorry. If it equals Uzi, change it by -0.5. And if it is sniper, change it by -3. Awesome. Alright, cool. Cool. Okay, let's see if that worked. Start with our pistol boy. Alright, now they take 3 hits to kill. Or is that 4? I don't know. Look at that. So now let's try out the Uzi. Yeah, they take more hits to kill, and then the sniper still does 1 tap. Yep. Super cool. See, now you got this little issue, right? Where you really can't spawn. So, what we're gonna do is back to this guy. Is there one where he's touching Gobo? And then, yep, if touching Gobo. Hide, wait 1 second. Broadcast. We're gonna broadcast a message that is dead. And then we're going to make a variable called deads. We're going to put it over here. Change deaths by 1 when the green flag is clicked. Set deaths to 0. And instead of that, I'd have him spawn over here. So negative 188 and negative 7. If anyone's wondering how I know what these are, they're right over here. Whenever you move them around, it changes it. So yeah. Anyways, yep. Gobo. We'll do a when I receive dead. Delete this clone. Yeah, alright. Let's try that. Alright, move the pistol. And then, oh god, we died. And then it deletes all the clones. You come back and your deaths are up by 1. And then, yeah, there we go. That is exactly what I would do to this game. That's what I do to it. Right? So, this is a longer video than I expected it to be. But, hey, you know what? Whatever. It's fun. It's fun to just mess around on Scratch. Just have some fun. You know how it goes. One more thing I'd change. No. One more thing I'd change. We'll do a move. Negative 3 steps. So like it acts like it has like a recoil kind of thing. And then from the ooze, okay, no, from the pistol the knockback will be 2. From the Uzi the knockback will be 1. Well, no, we'll do like 0.5. And then for the sniper rifle, since it's super strong, we'll have like a knockback of like 2.5. Alright, let's try that. I wasn't expecting to go on for this long. So like it kind of moves back a bit. Now let's move to the Uzi. And now the sniper. Bop. Bop. See, kind of moves back a bit. Doop. Doop. Okay, that's all I changed. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it anyways, because hopefully Leon B28 will see this, and maybe he'll realize he can do some more stuff with this game and update it. If anybody else is watching and wants to see their game played and see what I would do with it to add more to it, go ahead and feel free to add your game into the, you know, thing. Feel free to, yeah, I'm aware I'm not saving that, by the way. I'm aware I'm not accidentally doing that. Go ahead and add your stuff to the game requests. So yeah, go ahead, add your stuff, have a good time. Well, we're all here to have fun, you know how it goes. If you have any tutorials, go put them in the tutorial studio. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it anyways, because hopefully Leon sees this. If you enjoy my content and like to help me out, go ahead, hit subscribe. That helped me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.